Welcome to this step-by-step guide on creating buttons in PowerPoint without the need for advanced designing skills. In this tutorial, you will learn how to design an effective interactive button that you can use in your presentation. We begin by launching PowerPoint on your computer, ensuring that the application is fully loaded and ready for you to work on your presentation. Once PowerPoint is open and the interface is visible, locate and open the presentation file where you intend to add your button. After your target presentation is open, direct your attention to the top navigation bar where you will find several tabs that organize the many features PowerPoint offers. The next move is to click on the Insert tab. This tab is essential as it houses many options that allow you to add different elements to your slides, including text, images, and various shapes. Within the Insert tab, you will notice the Shapes option. This particular feature is critical because it offers a range of preset shapes which you can modify and style to suit your presentation's needs. Click on the Shapes control to reveal a menu of shape options. Once the menu appears, take a moment to scroll all the way down until you find the section dedicated to action buttons. This part of the menu contains buttons specifically designed for adding interactive elements that support hyperlinking or executing other actions when clicked. Within the Action Buttons section, focus on the option labeled Blank Square. The blank square is an ideal starting point for creating a custom button because it provides a simple, unadorned shape that can be easily transformed into any type of button you may require. Once you have identified the blank square button, select it, and then proceed to draw the button on your slide. Simply place your cursor where you want the button to appear and click and drag to form the button shape. Adjust its size and position as necessary to best fit your slide layout. After you have successfully drawn the button on your slide, the next step is to assign an action to the button. This is a crucial step if you want the button to be more than just a decorative element. PowerPoint allows you to assign different actions that will occur when the button is clicked during a presentation. Carefully choose the specific action that suits your presentation's interactive needs. This might involve linking to another slide, opening a designated website, or initiating a custom action within PowerPoint. With the desired action selected, confirm your settings by clicking on OK. This final confirmation ensures that the action is assigned to the button and that it will perform as expected during your presentation. Once you have completed these steps, your interactive button is now fully integrated into your PowerPoint slide, ready to enhance your presentation with interactive functionality. This tutorial shows you how to quickly and simply create an interactive button in PowerPoint by starting from launching the program, navigating through the presentation and insert menu, selecting a shape from the action button section, drawing the button on your slide, and finally assigning a specific action to it. Follow these clear instructions and you'll be able to add interactive, clickable elements that enhance the viewer experience of your presentation without needing advanced design skills. Enjoy using your newly created button to make your PowerPoint presentation more engaging and effective.